here Kay, and today we are going to look at common collocations with do. In my previous video, I spoke about the difference between make and do, so you can go back to that video if you're not sure about something. We use do to talk about subjects, schoolwork, work, housework, taking care of yourself, looking after yourself, sport, general actions, result, or degree. Let's have a look at subjects first. Do maths. Do you like to do maths? Do you like to do maths? Do geography. I like doing geography because my teacher is interesting. I like doing geography because my teacher is interesting. Do English. If you do English every day, you will improve fast. If you do English every day, you will improve fast. Do art. She has to do art at college. She has to do art at college. Do music. I enjoy doing music at school. My teacher is wonderful. I enjoy doing music at school. My teacher is wonderful. Schoolwork. Do homework. I try to do my homework fast. I try to do my homework fast. Do a test. The child has to do 3 tests today. The child has to do 3 tests today. Do an exam. We have to do 5 more exams before we can relax. We have to do 5 more exams before we can relax. Do a project. Do we have to do a project as part of our art exam? Do we have to do a project as part of our art exam? Do revision. I have to do a lot of revision for my exams. I have to do a lot of revision for my exams. Do work. I have to do a lot of work today. I have to do a lot of work today. Do business. I am happy to do business with you. I am happy to do business with you. Do a job. He wants to do his job well, so he works hard. He wants to do his job well, so he works hard. Do an interview. The manager has to do many interviews today. The manager has to do many interviews today. Housework. Do the tidying up. She wanted to do all the tidying up before the guests came. She wanted to do all the tidying up before the guests came. Do the dishes. Do the washing up. Thank you for doing the dishes. Thank you for doing the washing up. Thank you for doing the dishes. Thank you for doing the washing up. Do the ironing. Many people don't like doing the ironing. Many people don't like doing the ironing. Do the vacuuming. Who does the vacuuming and the cleaning in your family? Who does the vacuuming and the cleaning in your family? Taking care of yourself, looking after yourself. Do your hair. Thank you for doing my hair, it looks great. Thank you for doing my hair, it looks great. Do your nails. She likes to do her nails every week. She likes to do her nails every week. Do your makeup. Can you do your makeup well? Can you do your makeup well? Sport. Do gymnastics. She has been doing gymnastics for many years. She has been doing gymnastics for many years. Do yoga. She likes doing yoga outdoors. She likes doing yoga outdoors. Do exercise. Do you do exercise every day? Do you do exercise every day? Do karate. She has been doing karate for many years, so she's really good at it. She has been doing karate for many years, so she's really good at it. General actions. Do everything. She always wants to do everything by herself. She always wants to do everything by herself. Do something. I plan to do something useful today. I plan to do something useful today. Do nothing. Do you want to do nothing all day? Do you want to do nothing all day? Do badly. She did badly and had to redo the project. She did badly and had to redo the project. Do well. All the students did really well in their exams. All the students did really well in their exams. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to do a little quiz on make and do collocations, go to my Instagram, Lydia K. Work your way through the questions and leave your score in the comments. Have a good day. Bye!